Welcome back to Joe's Math Tools, where the goal is to make math easy. In our session today, we're calculating the area of our shaded region when we have a circle inside of our rectangle. And in today's session, we're working through a word problem to this type of question. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So our question today that we're working through says a circular bowl was placed on top of a coffee table. Using pi equals 3, calculate the area of our bowl. And our bowl, as you can see, is the interior area of our circle. And for this question, we are also told that the radius of this bowl that we're looking at is equal to 5 meters. So to calculate the area, we have pi r squared. For this question, we're told that pi is equal to 3. Our radius in our circle is equal to 5, which is being squared. So we have 3 times 5, which is, so 5 squared is 25. And when we multiply 25 times 5, we will get 75, and that's going to be meters squared. So the area of our bowl is going to be 75 meters squared. Now, part B of our question tells us that they want us to calculate the area of our coffee table. And if we're looking at our coffee table, which is the green shaded area of our diagram, we can tell that this shape is a rectangle. And you can tell that the shape is a rectangle simply because we have 15 and 7. And we know that with a rectangle, the measurements are going to be different length, whereas with a square, both sides would equal to the exact same measurement. So because we're working with a rectangle, to calculate our area, this is going to equal to our length times our width, which will be multiplying our 15 times 7, and 15 times 7 is equal to 105, and that's going to be meters squared. And our final part of our question, as you can see, I made a typing error here, which should be part C, asks us to calculate the area surrounding the bowl. So in part A, we were asked to calculate the area of our bowl. In part B, we were asked to calculate the area of our coffee table. So now they want to know what is the area surrounding the bowl. And the area surrounding the bowl is the area that is shaded in green, which we will probably could call our tablecloth, but it's the area that is shaded in green. So we're going to calculate the area of this shaded region by taking our outer shape, which is our rectangle, and subtracting our inner shape, which is our circle, which will give us our shaded region. So my outer shape is equal to 105, and I'm going to work that out right here. So we have 105 meters, and then my inner shape, which is my circle, is equal to 75 meters. And we have 5 subtract 5 is equal to 0. We're going to borrow from our 1, changing our 0 into 10, and 10 subtract 7 is equal to 3. So the area of my shaded region will equal to 30 meters squared. So as always, remember to get some additional practice in. Make sure that you watch some more videos on how to calculate the area of your shape. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools, where the goal is to make math easy.